delicious, yummy. Subscribe, watch this video, it'll change your life.
Okay, quick and easy. An amazing, amazing dinner. We're making lemon salmon in a buttered sauce. This is what you need for your ingredients. Use some coarse black pepper, sea salt, some capers, rinsed and dried. You need 3 tablespoons of butter, about 5 or 6 thyme sprigs. If you don't have fresh thyme, use dried, that's fine. You need a salmon for 2 people, 1 pound, half a pound per person. You need half a lemon sliced. You need some Chardonnay. You need some parchment paper, a little string, and a dish to put in the oven. Very simple. Look how quick we're going to go. Throw your salmon on. Season. About a good pinch of salt. Season with some pepper. Beautiful. Throw your thyme on top. Put your lemon. Oh, sorry. Need one more ingredient. A little olive oil. Drizzle, 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 drizzle. Beautiful. Now put your lemons. And you're going to do butter, lemon, butter, lemon, butter, butter, more lemon. You're gonna pick up your salmon and slide it on the olive oil. Beautiful. Okay, now center it as best as you can. The rest of your lemons, you can just drop them on top, to the side, all around. We just want a lot of lemon. Okay, now fold across, fold across, fold across, and just make a nice square, overlapping, like that. Now take your string, oh, got my capers. Capers go on top, like that. All right, let's do that again. Fold on top, fold on top, fold on top. Fold in, over. Longest thing goes over. Take your string, lay it against your table, your cutting board. We're going to come across. Come across. And you're going to do a butcher's knot, so that means go over and under twice. And then bring it tight, like that. Put your finger there to hold it. Go under and around. And make a knot. And I forgot something. I'm trying to go so quick, I keep forgetting things. So, let's back up. Okay. Take your wine. And now we're going to add a little dry Chardonnay on there. About a quarter cup. Okay, so remember, fold, bring over, lay your butcher's twine underneath. You're going to come over, across, Now I kind of feel like doing this whole thing over. Alright, you're going to go over and under twice because you're doing a a butcher's knot. There we go. Now you're going to take your string, put your finger there, right there, come under and over, and you're going to make a knot. Now your oven is preheated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And you want to make this nice and tight. If you need a third finger, you can ask for somebody for assistance, or else you just do this. Hold it with one finger and then let it go. Throw it in your, just in case you get a leak, it's a good idea to put it in there. Now you're ready to throw this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And you're gonna, this is 1 pound of salmon, so 30 minutes. And then when you think it's ready, after 30 minutes, get your temperature probe, and I'll show you how to do that. You just pierce it, and you'll see. We'll be right back. Okay, been 30 minutes. Let's check this out. Oh my gosh. So the first thing we're going to do, you see that? We're going to check the temperature. So, instant thermometer. If you don't have one, get one. They're amazing. Oh yeah, we're good. So I'm going to unwrap this and we'll be back. Okay, so I unwrapped this. Now we're just going to scoop that beautiful salmon. And a spatula will help you. But I'm just going to slide this into there. And you notice a lot of the skin came off. Oh, beautiful. Throw that in there. Such an easy dinner and so flavorful. All right. So we're going to just cut this. This is for 2 people. Take the stems out. Take them out. And I am going to look at this. And yeah, I'm just going to cut it in half. Very easy to do. I'm going to bring my plate. Now, you can do this on couscous, rice. You can do this on just the salmon, some vegetables on the side. But I chose to do some rice, and I will put a link on how I did this particular rice. And you can lay it on top of it. Couscous goes really well with it too. Look at that. Oh. Okay. And we're going to take our salmon. Drop that on. Drop that on. Now, there's a lot of good, beautiful lemon sauce. So I'm going to take another lemon, put it aside. There we go. Put it aside. And I'm going to drop some juice. Drop some juice. Drop some juice and capers and more lemon. And there you go. Look how easy that dinner is. Beautiful, easy, elegant, wonderful. Bonsoir, bon appetit. I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe and share if you want. Thank you.
So there you go. beautiful salmon in a butter lemon sauce with capers and zeb de Provence. Or you can do it with thyme, which is what I did in this case. Delicious, yummy.